Yo, oh my goodness. Bro, there's so many. Bro, there's so many.
Oh, Joy, I'm freaking. Bro, I can't believe I outran.
Had to.
That's my first time I outran.
First things last.
No, I'm getting.
Bro, Roman. Say, we just might stay about my house.
Well, why don't we drop it?
Light the ground on fire.
On my house?
Bro.
That's really cool. She just colored.
My goodness, I don't have enough time to record. My. I'm sorry, y'all. My. Whoa. Okay, tryhards. My goodness, I don't have enough time. Could have been me. Woo! Got it on time. My God, those tried hard. Bro, can you see that? No, can you actually see that? No! Guys, that's me. Man, look, shake. But I cannot outstand these tryhards. Yo, look, my friend. He's holding fireworkssss. Oh my God! The power of light. Roman has the power of light. I know you. Guess what? I got burnt by oil before, you know.
Oh, crap.
And I also got burnt by a lamp and an air fryer. I was just a kid though. It's making a form of.
I'm stupid. Why would I put my hand next to it? Ah.
Does it burn or does it hurt?
Like, you see those sparkles? It comes on you.
Oh. My goodness. I really do not want a tablet to catch fire. I know he ain't throw that. My God, these tryhards. Oh my God, they're over there. They're over there. Wow.
Yep, not anymore. Wow.
Yo, stop over there.
Wow.
Why can I see my mom from the window?
He's throwing a grenade. He's throwing a grenade.
A grenade? People don't know ice cold. Yo, Roman, you remember last year we were outside? Yo, Roman, you remember last year we were outside doing this? That was the worst spot. Oh wow, my power went out. This is so crazy. I don't have time for this.
We're gonna be done soon. We have like 3 minutes.
3. We might as well do a bike ride. But your bike broke. Woo! My God. I can't get dizzy while holding a tablet. Because you know what happens? I throw the tablet and it falls. Bro, no way he's singing all over a tree. You might want to back up.
Hey, you was a good person.
They has the pyramid. He has the...
Wait, we should go over there.
No. He has the pyramid.
We should go, like, because it's gonna go on fire and they come.
Yeah. I'm going to be recording like this. You want to say hi to the vid? Bro, they have a motorcycle. You know what they did last year? They did the car show last year. Do you wonder if they're going to do it now?
I don't want to.
Yeah, they're about to do it. Roman, don't make me run over you. I hate the pyramid. I hate the pyramid.
Hate it too. We know.
Whee. My God, there's so many tryhards.
I bet it's going to the moon right now.
You wish. They're probably going